This game was released in Japan in 1986. The story is about Puss in Boots traveling around the world in 80 days. However, when you look closely at the map shown inside the game, something feels strange and fascinating. The map appears very different from the modern world maps we are familiar with today. For example, the North Pole is clearly shown as a large visible region on the map. In many modern maps and globes, people feel that the Arctic region is represented differently or less prominently. Another strange detail is the distance between Africa and Spain. In the game's map, they do not appear as close as they do on many modern projections. Greenland also looks very different compared to how it is commonly displayed today. Because of these unusual details, some people might wonder whether this old 1980s game was based on an older version of Earth's geography, or perhaps on a map style that was more common decades ago. It creates an eerie feeling, almost as if the game preserved a forgotten interpretation of the world. This is why the Mandela effect is so fascinating to many people. Small differences in maps, memories, logos, geography, and historical details can make people question whether human memory changes over time, whether map projections influence perception, or whether culture itself rewrites how we remember the world. Seeing these differences inside an old 1986 Japanese game feels almost like discovering a time capsule from another version of reality.